back to my channel. Today we are going to Ghoda Arts Festival. This happens in Fort area of Mumbai, and this has been happening since over 24 years now, and it's a huge art festival. So Ghoda Art Festival showcases various art forms coming from street arts, visual arts, and performing arts, and many more. Then it covers cinema, it covers music, and much more. Let's just go and explore today. I'm going to show you कि क्या क्या हो रहा है कालाघोड़ा आर्ट फेस्टिवल में, and stay tuned. And we're here guys. हम लोग अभी एंट्री कर रहे हैं. हम ट्रेन से चर्चगेट उतरे एंड चर्चगेट स्टेशन से वी गॉट अ टैक्सी टू कालाघोड़ा. नाउ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर कालाघोड़ा. हमें लगा था आज थोड़ा भीड़ कम होगा. दिस इज़ ऑन Day 3 ऑफ कालाघोड़ा आई गेस. दिस इज़ 22 Jan. सो हमें लगा था कि शायद भीड़ कम होगी, लेकिन भीड़ बहुत ज़्यादा है यार. Guys, for entry you have to scan a QR code and then it takes you to this website, and website पे जाके you have to register for free to get the entry. Excuse me. रीलसाठी घे It's a great initiative by Milton to reduce plastic usage and encourage people to buy stainless steel bottles and everything else. So this is a great initiative that Milton has come up with. West Bengal. This is Maharashtra. This one's brilliantly made guys. Vastrado label ने पूरा डिज़ाइनिंग का लेआउट एंड डिज़ाइनिंग का प्रोसेस समझाया है पूरा, एंड इट्स ब्रिलियंट, अमेजिंग. There's another unique piece of art which defines how we are trapped with some negative information, and there's no balance because of digital life. So you need to have a balanced lifestyle. So there's a message after every so there's a message behind every art, which is wonderful.
Funny.
जैसे दिस वन वाज शोइंग कि इकोसिस्टम कितना ख़राब हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ प्लास्टिक. beautiful, guys. This one's to show your self strength, self potential, basically. What all potentials you have. Like everyone is a hero in their own way.
So you want me to?
Yeah, just tell me about this installation again.
Hello, my name is Rishika Mukherjee. I am from IDM Andheri. So here for Kala Ghoda this year, our theme was Udan, and our installation is about flight of knowledge.
This is beautiful. How long did it take for you to make?
It took us more than a week, 8 days, more than a week,
my
or 24 hours
God.
working.
Amazing, yeah. Hats off. Very well done.
Thank you.
And I witnessed this beautiful illustration by one of the students from IDM. And this is regarding the education and how education and knowledge is important for every child. And they have rightly described coexistence. This is again an important message, guys, that there are flamingos that fly over here and they are only getting to eat the waste that we put into our seas. So just be careful of putting such waste or plastics or anything in the water. This is about coexistence, guys. This is important. This was a spectrum. क्या था क्यों था समझा नहीं एक्चुअली, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला पढ़ने का. हर एक आर्ट इलस्ट्रेशन के नीचे उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है एंड क्या थॉट से बना है वो दिया गया है. This one's again about plastic and how it is ruining the marine life. You can also be a volunteer here for recyclathon. So this one also defines how our eardrums are getting damaged due to increasing noise pollution in the city due to reconstructions and honks and many other things.
ऐसे उसके लिए दिया फील के लिए अंदर से
This illustration is beautifully showing how Mumbai's coastal line was earlier in earlier era rather. This is a visual odyssey of actions and consequences. This art is promoting कि आप इको फ्रेंडली चीज़ों का ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करें अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में. Mother Earth. This one depicts the closeness to the Mother Earth of a farmer. This illustration is to encourage youths to come together and fight for their democracy.
From these trees.
Nice. These are all natural dyes. This one's again showing how plastic usage is getting dangerous for marine life. नेवी चिल्ड्रन स्कूल जो है मुंबई के, उनके स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स ने ये अम्ब्रेलास पे मरीन लाइफ पेंट किया हुआ है. My GoPro is not doing the justice, but this is to educate about saving marine life. This is very cute. This is ample seating area as well. ये स्टेयरकेसेस है, इसके ऊपर बैठ सकते हो आप लोग. एंड बहुत ज़्यादा है एक्चुअली, इधर भी है ये पूरा. ये साल पूरे काला घोड़ा के आर्ट्स ने, जितने भी विजुअल आर्ट्स है, उसमें these guys have, the artists have tried telling a very important message, mainly about marine life, saving marine life due to plastic usage. Then talking about eco-friendly options of sustainable life. Then talking about digital information, too much of being on digital platforms is ruining your heads, and then noise pollution, and many important topics that needs change. So hats off to the artists. Yeah, this is really wonderful. Apart from this guys, यहाँ पे काला घोड़ा के थ्रू वर्कशॉप्स होते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट हियर. सो वर्कशॉप्स जो है वो कुछ जहांगीर आर्ट गैलरी में होते हैं, कुछ परफॉर्मेंसेस अगर है, इवेंट्स है थ्रू काला घोड़ा, तो वो आज़ाद मैदान के बाजू वाले गार्डन में होते हैं. एंड आप लोग आई थिंक इनसाइडर पे जाके यू कैन चेक द इवेंट्स एंड वर्कशॉप्स टू टेक द टिकट्स एंड यू कैन विजिट देम. सो काला घोड़ा फेस्टिवल इज़ देयर टिल 28th of January. So I suggest you hurry and you should must visit if you are in Mumbai. This is for 600 guys. This is from Delhi. Thank you. And I bought these pair of chappals from Delhi stall. They are from Delhi, and I love to shop from Delhi. So I just bought them. They were for 600. They were decent. Heels के भी थे, block heels में. They were for 800. So 600 to 800 के range में, which is decent. यहाँ के हिसाब से which is decent. यहाँ पे कुछ और शॉपिंग के स्टॉल्स है गाइज, विद दिस ब्यूटीफुल डेकोरेशन, कूल एम्बियंस.
Hi ma'am, try this.
No, thank
Like 4 grains. You're working so hard. Like this is roasted, this is millets, this is gluten free, this is healthy, and this is good for you.
Thank
try it
you.
and let me know. But wait, Babu, one second.
No, I had already.
How do you like it?
It's nice.
You had what? What did you eat?
This is ragi, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is
Goregaon Farms.
yeah. Try this. I hope you liked it.
I love it.
But I'll give you something. But tomorrow you'll have to try this tomorrow because it's already sold out.
Okay.
Where do you live?
No, we live very far. We
Where?
live in Goregaon.
Ah, we come to Opera Garden City.
Yeah.
Our office in Borivali, we generally deliver like 99% of our orders in town. We
You're
come-
online.
We're online, but we have big, groups in buildings. We don't work generally deliver to individual people. We deliver it to the building.
Buildings.
Yeah, you try this. This is garlic, white butter and basil.
This is nice.
Yeah. So and we are a social enterprise. All this is owned by farmers. Now, ma'am, you try the ghee. Now that you have some time, I've given her a break. This is the ghee. This is A2 ghee.
You want ghee?
No,
Right? So you also should try. Come, try.
no, it's fine.
No, he doesn't like ghee.
Now you try this other one. This is the classic one. This we have
What's the
named as-
difference?
This is from Gir cows. This is from all kinds of cows. And the sari is so pretty.
Yeah, thank you.
And
काय difference
have
है?
this honey which comes from
Taste is different. Gheer cows and this one.
The Gir cow is different, na?
Yeah,
That's why it's so
Gir cows is-
expensive.
yeah,
It's 1200 for half a liter.
I agree.
How is it? Good, man.
It's nice.
I mean, nobody makes it. We make it from curd.
Yeah?
Yeah. So where do you live in Goregaon? East or west?
East.
Which building?
No, we live near IT Park. If you
Where is
see
it?
opposite Rustamji. Rustamji
Rustamji
Park.
Audio is on the west.
Reheja.
Acha.
Yeah.
Now that Omkar Altomonta is also coming, something like that.
Maladi.
What is
is that.
Maladish?
This is honey.
This is honey. This comes from Kana, the tiger reserve.
Nice. So you all take bulk orders only?
Yeah. No. We do individual orders, but only if it's on our way. Generally, we go to the buildings now.
So
And for
how
example,
to place orders? Like,
no, you
is there-
take our number, take man's number, you take our card, and you just WhatsApp
Okay.
and we deliver. But
सो दिस वॉज काला घोड़ा गाइज। ये उनके लिए था जो विज़िट नहीं कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे आके, लेकिन जो विज़िट कर सकते हैं वो 28 जनवरी के पहले आके विज़िट कर लेना। एंड दिस इज़ इन चर्च गेट एंड होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, होप यू हैव इन्जॉयड। आई इन्जॉयड, दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस। और आ रहे हो ना तो थोड़ा सा शाम के टाइम ही आना, 5:30 तक यू रीच हियर सो दैट 2 hours यू आर हियर एंड देन यू कैन हेड बैक, क्योंकि थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाता है एंड इट्स चिल्ड। आज लकीली हमें थोड़ी सी कंपैरेटिवली रश कम मिली, लेकिन आने वाले वीकेंड में 26, 27, 28 बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ होने वाली है, तो अगर पॉसिबल है तो उसके पहले आके चले जाना। सो आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग, कीप वॉचिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी हैवंट। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।